Hello friends, welcome again. I am Moid Ahmad. Friends, this video is for those who had to take up a work or branch of study due to having no better option, but they didn't like that at all. Friends, you can see for the last 2 weeks, I have been talking about the choosing option because I did not want to leave any aspect untouched. So I discussed the problem keeping in mind different aspects of the problem, like sometimes at the time of the start you have no better option, and sometimes you have so many options that you find it difficult to decide which option is the best for you, and sometimes you have many good options and you know it's a problem itself. And I'm sure you learn a little about how to opt and what should you do in different kind of situations of these types. But friends, in this video I am to tell you that if at the time of the start you had no better option and you have unwillingly started your work or your studies, and now you are depressed thinking that I have no opportunity in my life, I have missed the happiness of my life, so that life has become an useless thing for me, and right now I do it only to pass the days of my life, then what should you do? So friends, in this video my aim is to take you out of the depression first, and then I am going to give you a few useful tips that can, I am sure, change your life completely. But friends, I know that it may be hard for you to believe that how it is possible. What am I going to teach you that can change your life completely? So friends, first of all, I want to assure you that definitely you can change your life with the help of one's advice. But you will have to make up your mind first. You will have to demolish the wall of pessimism you have built up yourself around you, and now you live behind that and have decided not to change your position. But friends, I want to make it clear that I am not going to change your life. You are going to do everything on your own. I am only going to change the way of your thinking. Right now you think that I like that, but now you are going to think that I did like that. Thank you friends. See you again with a new video.